Wow, look at this. Switzerland. We are here in one of the famous lakes, Walensee, and we like to make a YouTube channel where we inspire, where we bring you to new places, and yeah, let's see where we go. And look at this place, look at this view. And here is also a way to walk in the middle of the mountain. Families here, so we went by car, and yes, grüezi miteinander. Grüezi. So let's go, we go to the top, you see us. Amden. Kannst du runterhückeln? So here once we went here to this mountain. You see it there on the top with a nice friend of mine. Went all way up, and I did some nice drone shots, and yeah, I will show you this part. Hallihallo. So geil.
In English, man. So we're here right now in Stäfa, Switzerland. Most beautiful view with the one and only Lukas Schindler. He's the man. If you have questions about everything in life, ask him. He's doing a coaching right now for the Swiss Miles and More card. Stay tuned, will be amazing, because for everybody who's interested, ask him. It's a huge benefit. Yes, always happy to help. Oh my goodness, guys, check this view out. Just here with a couple of friends, having a good time. That's life all about. Jan, what do you have to say about the situation here?
It's a pretty day, and yes.
How are you feeling?
How I'm feeling so blessed right now. With all the people here, the sun is out, the sun is shining on me.
You're going for a dip afterwards?
I think so, yeah.
Nice.
And you?
Yes, for sure.
Nice.
Machst du einen üblen Jump, oder was?
Ja, Mann, weißt du wie übel, ey?
So Jan is getting a jump. Oh my god! Damn! Hast du nicht den Kopf angestoßen?
Hä?
Hast du nicht den Kopf angestoßen?
Nein.
Stabil.
So, dann nur mit Anlauf.
Ich kann den Schwan holen.
Da musst du nicht holen, der kommt zu dir. Ja, der Schwan hat Angst vor mir.
Nice. What a day. Keep shining, keep smiling, keep going, and only the best. Bye bye.